Welcome back guys to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to get Temu items for free without inviting friends. You need to try your luck in the Temu's hat trick game but don't want to invite friends. Good news, it's possible. Follow the simple steps and subscribe for more. Firstly, open the Temu mobile app on your phone and log in using your email and password. On the bottom navigation bar, tap on You or your account. In the user menu, find and tap on the Play and Earn option. You'll see 3 game options. Select the Win Your Freebie option. Then you'll now enter the Hat Trick Games menu. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so you see all available games. Now all you have to do is play and try your luck to see if you can get free items on Temu without inviting friends. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.